fancy pants. It's just her feline arrogance, flaunting their collars with tinkly bells. She thinks her litter box don't smell. Don't go and be fooled by this crazy cat.
Don't go and listen to his crazy facts. Not gonna tell you twice. You better watch your back.
Don't go and be fooled. The big bad cat's in it.
I thought I warned you, not gonna tell you twice. You better watch your back.
What do you think? You think I'm afraid of your claws?
Can the old canine philosophies? Why don't you just go and tend to your fleas? Don't push me, but I'm just not in the mood. You're one swipe away from becoming cat food.
Don't go and be fooled by this crazy cat.
Don't go and listen to his crazy facts. Not gonna tell you twice. You'd better watch your back.
Don't go and be fooled. This big bad cat's in it. What I tell you?
I thought I warned you, not gonna tell you twice. You better watch your back.
Don't go and be fooled. The big bad cat's a furball hacking, rodent snacking, act. That's right, an act. You're just a pussy cat. You think you're tough?
I dare you spike the coma and bluff.
You a very scary booty tad.
You're one swipe away from becoming toast. Eliza, get my doggy bag. I'm about to catch a snack.
Whoa, man, who cut the cheese? Was that you, baby? You may want to re-examine your diet.
I thought I warned you, not gonna tell you twice. You better watch your back.
Here I am. Come get me. We can settle this right now, right here. Mano y mano, doggo y cacto. Oh, man, you. Come on, let's go right now. I'll rip that